Hello, this video is to help you with problems where you are solving multi-step equations with combining like terms. So let's get after it. So when I'm looking at this situation, before I can get it into two-step form, I got to notice that on the same side of the equal sign, there are multiple like terms. So when I look at this, I see that I have a 6x and a minus 3x. So before I can do anything, I'm going to combine these guys together. So 6x minus 3x. So see how this minus sign is attached to this 3x? That leaves me with 3x. And then I have minus 25 equals 14. Now I'm ready to treat this like a one-step equation. Sorry about that, blurry. So I want to get this x isolated, but before I can do that, I got to get rid of this minus 25. And the way that I do that is with a plus 25. Whatever I do to one side, I have to make sure that I do to the other. So this cancels, leaving me with 3x equals 14 plus 25 is 39. So now I'm going to go ahead and divide because I want to get x by itself and it's being multiplied by 3. So I'll divide this by 3. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. That leaves me with x equals 13. Now I'm going to go and substitute that back into the original equation for that last double check to make sure that I'm right. So if you notice, I'm literally rewriting the equation with my solution in there. So I've got 6 times 13, which equals 78. So 78 minus 25 minus 3 times 13 is 39. So let's check that. And at this point, I can either do that math by hand or I can use my calculator, which I'm going to do right now. So 78 minus 25 minus 39 equals 14. Looks like I got it. Okay, now let's try this guy over here. So again, I've got multiple like terms on this side of the equal sign. So before I can do my two-step stuff, I got to combine these guys. So I have an x and I have a 4x. So this is a positive and this is a positive, so I'm going to add them together. So 4x plus x is 5x. And then I have this minus 35 equals 25. Now I've got a normal looking two-step equation. So I see that this guy is having 35 subtracted. So I'm going to go ahead and do the opposite to cancel that out. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. This leaves me with 5x equals 60. So now I want to get to that x, and he's being multiplied by 5, so I'm going to do the opposite. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. 60 divided by 5 is 12. Before I walk away, I'm going to do that substitution step. All right, so let's check it. So I have 12 minus 35 plus 4 times 12. Well, 4 times 12 is 48. So I'm going to try this on my calculator. So I've got 12 minus 35 plus 48, 25. Looks like I am good. So remember, you're going to combine like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign, and then you're going to treat it like a normal two-step equation and follow our rules. Good luck.